Can I really regrow orchid roots fast with just garlic? Hi everyone, welcome to JouleShare Garden Tips Orchid Rescue Secret Series Part 3. I bought this orchid yesterday with droopy, wrinkled leaves and shriveled roots. Step by step, I'll show you how to save this plant. Step 1. Trim all dead roots. But first, soak the plants in water for a few minutes so you can see the healthy roots when it absorbs water. Then remove the plant from the pot so you can easily take off old medium, clean, and trim all dead roots. After removing all the dead roots, wash the plant thoroughly. Disinfect the roots using garlic and rice solution by soaking the plants for 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe also the leaves with the solution. Then dry. By the way, at the end of this video, I'll show you how to prepare the garlic rice water solution. Next, put the plant inside the plastic glass with bottle lid inside so the base of the plant will not soak on water. Water the plant just enough to keep it moisture and use rainwater if available. Then cover with a plastic with some holes so the air can circulate and to keep the moisture. Make sure to put the plant in an indirect bright light. With patience, after a few weeks, you'll see new roots coming out. And then I repot the plant and fresh every orchid mix. When it comes to orchids, using garlic can help combat root rot and encourage new root development because it contains allicins, which acts as an antimicrobial agent and can stimulate growth. While rice water is a nutrient-rich natural fertilizer that promotes healthy root growth and encourage blooming. Orchid rescue secrets: save your plant before it's too late. Follow JouleShare Garden Tips to help your orchid bloom again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time and God bless.